Hey, Neymar members and guests, this is Michael Trithart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a workshop that we have coming your way on January 26th. This is going to get you 6 hours of CE credit. Bring your laptop, bring your tablet, be ready to build and grow your business right there in the workshop. In the morning, we're going to go in and do Become Google Great. I've got agents all across the United States that are making an extra $200,000 annually from the tools and techniques that I've shared in this workshop. This is something that's going to power your business in 2023 and in the future. We'll take our lunch break. We'll come back. We're going to do generate more leads for free. The records for this class, I had one agent get 63 listings in 1 hour, 1 hour from a technique that you're going to learn in that afternoon session. I had another one get a lead in 2 seconds, an $8.25 million buyer in 30 minutes. This is a class that you don't want to miss. This whole day is going to change the trajectory of your business in 2023. All you have to do is sign up for this session. Once you sign up and go to the Eventbrite page, you pay the $35 fee. That's going to get you a ticket for the session. Bring your laptop, bring your tablet, be ready to build and grow your business and have fun while you do it. I'll see you guys on January 26th. Thanks.